Vintage Fan Collector 1939. This is a homemade box fan that I got. That I built this fan. The fan unit here was from a 1990s heat stream heater. Um, radiant fan forced radiant heater. I finally found my nice electrical tester that's actually accurate about everything. You know, I'll show the wiring for this fan. Where is the wiring? Oh, hang on. Hang on, guys. Okay, sorry about that. I almost got blinded by the awfully bright light on my camera setup here. Oh my goodness, that was so bright. Sorry about that. um, this fan, I'll show the side of where the wiring is. This is your hot wire right here. This is your neutral. Hot, neutral, hot, neutral. Hang on, if you even care. This is your, oop. This is your hot wire right here. You have electricity coming in there. This light will turn from green to red. This is your hot wire on your switch here. And this is your neutral. And your neutral wire going from the fan. Now if I turn this thing on real quick, which I'm not going to, because I don't feel like it. Man, it's dusty in here. Ew. My hands are so dusty now. Um, this fan is a single speed, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. So let's do that real quick. This tester can also do silent mode. You hold this down until, boom, you see that green light? And then you can very easily check if you have power without annoying anyone. Hopefully you can see that. I'll have to turn my camera light off real quick. See how that turns? You can't even see that, but you'll see it. See how it turns red? That means you got electricity going to it. Now, when this is plugged in, do not touch those switch terminals. Now let me go back and turn my camera light back on. Okay, I'm back. Let's go ahead and turn this fan on so you can see it run. There's a ton of dust blowing out of here because this thing's been sitting for a very long time. The reason my videos sound as good as they do now, I have this special microphone system. This is why they sound so good. This just clips onto your shirt. Which I'm not going to show. Because I know y'all already probably know that if you own one of these. Let's go ahead and do a spin down. Y'all don't know this. Y'all probably don't know this because I haven't told you viewers this yet, but my show is actually going to be called The Spin Down. I hadn't really done that yet, but I will. I promise I will. Anyways, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.